Hello, this is Peter from Chooch. This video will cover over the process of importing a third-party or open source or already established data set. So we already previously covered and discussed what a data set is, how we create it from scratch. We'll go through again later steps explicitly on the different tools to help that process and make it easier. But let's also explore the process of saying, hey, you already have a data set. Let's go ahead and import that into the product to then use our model and application for training and management and distribution of those models. So from here, I can go ahead and click on the various dataset options here to jump to that part of the product, or I can also go ahead and click on datasets here on the left-hand side. And then from here, again, we're not creating a dataset. Instead, what we're doing is importing a dataset. So it's important here to make sure to follow along the instructions. We support either a Cocoa JSON dataset, and it has to be in a certain format with different JSON information, annotation information, etc. And so be sure to make sure that we support that. You can also go ahead and review a sample JSON format with all the different applicable files needed to make sure we have proper ingest of that data. So go ahead and click on that. But let's go ahead and give a name here, test dataset. And so once we give it a name, then we navigate to the desired location of where that dataset is. And so you can see here, I have one on my desktop. I then click import. And so what it's going to do now is it's going to import that data set. It's going to review to make sure it's in the right format. And as long as everything works, you should be able to click on it in a couple of seconds, we'll get a ready status back once it's done processing. And so just give it a little bit of time to process and we should be all set. So you can see here, the data set that is uploaded is 30 pictures of various angles and orientations of a Coke bottle. We can see that there's 30 pictures with 31 annotations. So it looks like everything imported correctly. Again, your data set that you might be importing will be different. It might have more pictures. It might have other information in it. But again, the biggest takeaway here is making sure that whatever data set you're looking to import, it's in that format, and be sure to review the example to make sure that there's no differences there. Thank you very much.